Play Mordecode Combat. Let's check our current equipment. This one is 135. It looks like the best. The sword, the shield gives blocks 46. So also better than those here. Let's see this one. Oof. Okay. We are good equipped. If we will need anything, we can always come back. Okay, use the continue statement to stop the current iteration of a loop and start over at the beginning of the next one. So, while true, if not enemy, continue and say this: I see an enemy. So, let's see how this works. Race munchkins to the water distilled by Omern Brewstone. The continue statement is powerful for managing complicated logic. When the program uses the continue statement, the rest of the loop is skipped. However, unlike with break, the loop repeats instead of stopping. Use continue to verify the conditions of the ambush. So we have a loop, variable enemy, variable item. If there is no enemy, continue out of the loop. If there is an enemy but no item, ask for potion and continue out of the loop. Use an if statement to check the item's type. If the type is poison, continue out of the loop. If it's not, the potion must be a bottle of water. So walk to it and return to the starting position. Okay, here's the task. Try to solve it and come back to check how we solved it. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a variable enemy and we have a variable item. We check if there is no enemy, we continue. What does that mean? That means that the loop starts from the beginning. If there is no item and an enemy, then we say, give me a drink. And then continue, which again throws at the beginning of the loop. And so on. So if the item type is poison, we again start from the beginning. But if it's not a poison, then we move here, we collect the bottle of the water, and we move back to our position. And then it's the end of the loop, so it naturally starts again. So let's see how this works in practice. So now it's water, so we go and take it. And then again. So you see, we want things to repeat like in a normal loop, but with the possibility to restart a loop. So to start it from the beginning whenever we use continue. If we would use break, this would throw us out of the loop, and then the computer would start with the new part of the code. But with continue, we keep on staying inside of the loop. and the loop continues forever or until the time is over. Great job. We finished another Super Trooper room.